$2 billion under management. That's a lot of money.
But I hate losing money and I hate wasting money. So I've grown up with that mindset as a kid, and I've carried that mindset on throughout my entire life and everything I do. You shouldn't be wasting money, you shouldn't be cutting corners. A lot of what I did was learning and observing and learning from what other people did that didn't work, and then what other people did that did work. So one of the things I learned in 1994 from investing in funds like Julian Robertson's fund, Chris Minodi's fund, you see what happens if you get too big in a particular sector, a particular region, or a particular stock. Liquidity kills you on the way down.
We teach at Investment Mastery that mindset is very important. How important do you think mindset is?
It's maintaining that discipline and sticking to that discipline and learning every day. You know, if you're lazy, you won't be a good investor. You have to be very disciplined, you have to be proactive, you have to be challenging yourself, and you have to be looking for information all the time. But you have to test yourself every day. In investing, every day is a different day. When you start today, you can't rest on your returns yesterday or the year before. Every day is a new day. Ask yourself that every day. And if you ask yourself that every day, you will keep getting better at what you do.